I needed to generate and play a sine wave in Python and found a library to send the audio to my sound card. It had some example code, and when I inspected it, I thought, how is it possible that I have been working with Python for 7 years and never seen an assignment like this? So, what is it? You know how to assign a list to a variable name. I print the list and this is the result. You probably also know how to get a part of the list with list slicing. Here is the result. But did you know you can change an existing list with a slice assignment? I replaced the slice I just showed with names Paul and George. I print the list and here is the result. By using slice assignment, the existing list was changed in line. Now, no new list has been created, and there was no need to call append or insert methods. Now, I have to admit, after 7 years of programming, I did not know this was possible, and yet I could have used it in the past. For my course Building Self-Driving Cars in Python from scratch, I used a crossover algorithm. Two arrays need to be split at a random point and merged into a new one. So, how did I do it? Here are two lists and I want to split them at a random point and take the first part of list A and the second part of list B. I choose a point to split and create a new list by concatenating slices of the old lists. I print the result and that works. Now, for small lists, this is not a problem, but in genetic algorithms you probably work with bigger lists and worse in a loop. Python can manage, but the algorithm can be optimized. Instead of creating a new list, I reuse one of the lists and change it in place with slice assignment. This is what it looks like. I print the result and that gives the same output. You can even replace parts of lists with another list with a different length. For example, here is the names list again. This time I want to replace Dave and John with Paul, Mel and George. I print the result and indeed, 2 names have been replaced with 3 names. So, slice assignments are great to modify a list in place. Notice there was no append or insert involved. I'm pretty sure this could have helped me to speed up the algorithm to train my self-driving cars. And to see what that is all about, click on this video and we'll see each other soon.